Hello Ma, mula sa iyong anak na panganay, si Rob, at ang kanyang buong pamilya, binabati ka namin ng happy birthday. It's your diamond birthday, 75th. At it's a significant, remarkable day kasi it's your birthday. Kaya sabi nga sa 1 John 1:17, every good and perfect gift is from above. At yung buhay mo, 75 years, it's indeed a perfect gift came from the Lord.
Hello, Nay! Happy birthday! Happy 75 years. So, ang ano namin sa'yo, yung prayer namin, of course, yung long and satisfied life na patuloy na makalala mo rin ang Panginoon dahil biyaya lang niya ang natatanggap natin kung kaya marating na sa ganyang years. Thank you ulit Ma sa support mo sa amin. We want to greet you, we want to pray for you, and our prayers is all about you and your life and your stay sweet and beautiful. Happy birthday ulit, Nay!
Nay, happy birthday! We are very blessed dahil ikaw ang lola namin, ikaw ang nanay Linda namin, and we just wanna let you know that we appreciate everything you do, and we praise God kasi you are stronger. Yung mga obstacle, yung mga trials na nadaanan ng family is it just made you even more stronger. Kaya we are blessed to have you, Nay, and you know we love you so much.
Nay, happy birthday, Nay! Happy 75th birthday, Nay! Good thing you're still strong with blessings from God. Maraming man tayong pinagdaanan from the past years, and I know that God led you. God is with us throughout the experiences that we experienced tonight, and I hope you have a very blessed birthday that's coming. It's your diamond birthday.
1, 2, 3.
From Rob and family, we want to greet you.
Happy birthday!
Hello Ma, happy birthday uli. Binati na kita sa Facebook pero gusto pa rin kitang batiin sa video. Ang wish ko sa iyo Ma, sa birthday mo na sana maging manatili kang malakas at marami pang birthday na darating sa iyo. At sana lagi kang protektahan ni Lord sa lahat ng iyong gustong gawin. Alam ko na marami tayong pinagdaanan ng ating pamilya. Pero siguro sa tulong at awa ni Lord na malalampasan natin ang lahat ng yan dahil lagi natin siyang kasama. Nay, mag-enjoy ka lang sa birthday mo. Ayoko magsalita ng mahaba kasi baka maiyak ako. Gusto ko basta maging masaya yung birthday mo. Nakasama yung mga apo mo, yung dalawang kapatid ko dyan, yung mga kumare mo dyan. Wala man kami dyan, Ma. Yung puso namin parang nandyan na rin. Again, Ma, happy birthday sa beya ng aming buhay. I love you, Ma. Bye.
Happy birthday, Nanay! We love you po. Sana po marami pang birthday ang dumating sa inyo. Mag-iingat po kayo lagi dyan. Salamat po. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Nanay. I love you. Wish you all the best. Sana bigyan ka ni Lord ng bagong birthday pa na darating.
Happy birthday, Nanay!
Happy birthday, Nanay!
Love you!
I love you po.
Hi, Nay!
Hi, Lola. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Nay, we miss you so much and we love you so much. I just want to say that we appreciate you And thank you for always keeping our families together, even in the face of sadness, even in the face of misunderstandings. You're always there. You're always so strong for us. And I love you for everything that you are. I just want to say that I hope to see you soon. We hope to see you soon. And yeah, have the best day. Enjoy your celebration. I love you. I miss you. Bye.
Bye.
Hello po, Nanay. Happy blessed birthday po. We love you. Ingat po dyan lagi.
Love you, Nay.
Hello, ate ko. Bagong lahat, hayaan mo munang may paabot ko sa iyo ang isang mapagpalang pagbati mula sa aming mag-asawa sa special na araw na ito. A very blessed and a very happy birthday, ate ko. Salamat sa Panginoon sa ipinagkaloob niyang special na regalo sa araw na ito sa iyong buhay. Hangad ko at dalangin na sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming taong makapagdiwang ng iyong kaarawan. Para marami pa kami, mas lalo mo pa kaming magabayan at makasama ng matagal pang panahon. Muli at Chico, gusto kong ipaabot sa iyo na mula sa aming mag-asawa na mahal ka namin. Enjoy your special day and make the most of it. Happy birthday, happy 75th birthday, and God bless you always.
Sige, Chi. Sinabi na naman, may kuminasabi ko keko, mimingot. Tsaka yung lagu-lagu may kakalingwan. Makanita mo, basta tayo mo pabusten ng sarili mo. Love you. See you soon.
Happy birthday! Inina Ingaldo, paninayan mo ne. Ba't narugong paninayan? At ngayon apin na yung kaganapan. Salamat ki nga pong Ginoo. At pigkalog nargo yung pangarap mo na adwan kayo. Salamat kaya ko ang anak ng Archie. Kaya ko ang anak ming malugod. Mga ganaka. Kim Pauliyo. Meging posible Ingaldo masayang itiking biyan ng imayo. At siya, balo ko nung makanano ka kasaya. Bistaman rugo, apin ini imo muna Ngaldo na alani ko yung ko isipin mo. Pero naman, biglakwan niya mga anak ang mga ganaka at malugod. Nya, balo ko, patuloy pamuri ng tulaking puso mo. Basta manatili tamo mong makakapit ki nga kung ginuhuli. At yan naman manatili kay katamo. At patuloy na katamo rugong pasayan king biyan. At ikami namang kapatid mo, at yung kaya mo kaya lulugod kaya ka. Ngayon balo mo naman na ika na yung peka-pengan ni. Kaya kakero mo mamasa lalo na king decision making king pamilya. Ika ay manguna kaya kami niya. Pakaingatan mo yung sarili mo. Mingat kang maya. Para kumaba ka biya. Kasi ika ay mumo namin asahan para mag-desisyon king nalumang isasabihan ng pamilya. Kasi kanan mo, kaya kang biya physical, at palagwan mo pang lalo yung kaya kang biya spiritual. Balo ko matatag na kanya ni, aramdaman ko nung makanano ka, tatapang, barap king nanumang problema, o nanumang pagsubok. Nya, balo ko, paniwalan ko, na yung Ginoo kikilos siya, king biyet amo, king biyeyo, biya na rin kaya kang buong pamilya, at biya na rin kaya katang buong pamilya. Ngayon ala kong balong dugtong nungiin ka pasalamatan keka. Takala salamat kinye galagana. Salamat at salamat. Salamat ka rin kaya kang anak, pamangagana ka. Salamat kaya kayo mga pangunakan ko. Salamat. At ang Ginoo, yan na yung bala, ang mangibalik, king lugod, grasya, adurugtong yung anak ko, at pagkalog yung anak. Salamat kaya ko man. Takala salamat. God bless us all.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ache. More blessings. Sana dakal pang birthday tatang kaya ka. Wish ko kaya ka panayang masikan. Malapit na kang muli na naman, ne? Okay, happy birthday ulit! See you soon!
Happy birthday, Tita Linda! Sending greetings from the Philippines. Today, we celebrate not just the years you've lived, but the countless memories you've created and the love you've shared with all of us. Your kindness, care, and laughter light up our lives. May this major milestone and special day be filled with joy, surrounded by family and friends who cherish you. Here's to many more beautiful years ahead, filled with love and happiness. Remember, you truly are a treasure in our lives. May the good Lord always bless you. Mwah! I love you, Tita Linda. Happy birthday.
Happy 75th birthday. Here's our special birthday, Lola Linda. I just want to let you know that me, Ali, and the rest of our family, especially the Campos, really love you and have a very special impact in our family. I just want to let you know that you're loved.
We hope that everybody around you greeted you a happy birthday. If not, then we hope next time.
We just want to say happy birthday and just want to let you know that we're grandkids. Thank you and happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Paul! We love you, Paul! Aloha!
Happy birthday, Lola!
Happy 75th birthday, Dar! I wish you a long life with more years of happiness and good health. And how I wish that I could be there to celebrate your special day. And yeah, I hope to see you soon. And enjoy your party. Bye. Love you. Miss you.
Happy 75th birthday po, Tita Linda. Thank you po. Dahil balo ko, kayo na po yung gaganap head ng family tamo and never kayo magpabaya. Lalo na kisuport tayo po kan titet and kaya kaming pangunakan nyo. Marakala salamat po. And lastly, balota naman po, ikayo ing kaya ka malabong 75 years old na kilala mi. Ate Che, panemem babante ni Tita Linda kasi dakal magloloken po ta makapos din siya makagawa pang bunso. I love you, Tita Linda. Happy birthday po. Mimingat palagi.
Linda, may you have all the joy your heart can hold, all the smile a day can bring, all the blessing a life can unfold. May you get the world's best in everything. Happy 75th birthday, Lola Ganda. I love you. Mwah.
Hello, Darang Linda. Kamusta na ka? Kaya ka malago kong Dara, eto tuway tsura. Anyway, Dar, burita kang ikirit king 75th birthday mo. And malo ko masaya kang ngini kaya be mo na rin familia. Paring kalukuran ken. wish ko is more birthday to celebrate, more birthday to come to celebrate, and good health. And dar, paniri po mimingat. Datang panahon ikit-ikit taong pasibayo. Halita naman makanita ka kumpleto na, pero mapag-celebrate taong pamurin na enjoy tayo hindi. So ito po, panatilihan yung good health ang pong kaniri mimingat. Again, happy birthday Kakadat, and I love you. Mimingat kay Pane.
Happy birthday, Lola Linda! We miss you! Good health and more birthdays to come.
God bless you po.
God bless. Love you. Enjoy! Enjoy! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday po, Lola Ganda. We love you and we miss you po.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday po, Nay.
Ingat po lagi. God bless po.
We wish you good health po, happiness, and more blessings to come. We miss and love you, Nay.
Happy
birthday!
Ingat-ingat ka ng katawan mo. Sana lagi kang malakas. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ante. Happy 75 birthday. Ingatan mo lagi ang sarili mo. Enjoy memory in life mo. Takal kami nung lulubog kaya ingatan mo yung sarili mo. Again, happy birthday. Love you, I miss you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, happy birthday, Darang Linda. Happy birthday,